How to use Solsniper, overlooked strategy for finding best NFTs. Welcome to NFT Wealth Builders. Here we teach you everything on how to build wealth with NFTs. In this video, we're going to go through a completely overlooked NFT flipping strategy. This strategy is about how you can use Solsniper for finding the best NFTs before anyone else and get an easy profit. In this video, we're also going to show you where you can find the best NFTs as a complete beginner. When talking about the best NFTs, we're usually talking about how rare the NFT is in a collection. If you want to do this the regular way, you need to manually find the rarest NFT in a collection. We're going to show this to you quickly, just so you get an idea of how effective Solsniper is in finding the best NFTs. So if you want to manually find the best NFTs, you need to first go to a website for buying NFTs. In our example, we're going to go to OpenSea.io. Now we're going to look up a random collection. Let's say that we want to take a look at the Wanderers. This collection has, as you can see, 8,900 items. Now if you want to find a good NFT, you could go to the filter menu at the left part of the screen and use the different filters at the bottom. Here we can see a bunch of different categories like Anomaly with 6 NFTs, Cockpit with 14 NFTs, Panel 1 with 38, and Special with only 3 NFTs. This gives you a general feel on how rare the different categories are, but it doesn't tell you anything on what the best NFT in each category is. And this is where Solsniper comes into play. Because with this tool, you'll be able to tell exactly what NFT is the most rare in a collection. So let's type in Solsniper in Google and go to the Solsniper NFT. Here you could download an extension for Chrome. As you can see, we've already installed it. So let's show you how it works. Now I'm going to go to another website for finding NFTs. This one is called Magic Eden. This is the best website for finding NFTs as a complete beginner. The reason why is because the NFTs here are usually cheaper than on OpenSea, and it's easier for you to buy the NFTs and get a quick profit. I'm going to type in OG Atadians, which is a well-known project. Now, here you can see that there are a total of 5,000 NFTs in the collection, and you can see the different NFTs below. As you can see, there's a bar below each NFT with 2 different numbers. There's one called M, which is the ranking from MoonRank, and one called H, which is the ranking from How Rare. In this case, there's no ranking from How Rare, since it's marked NF. However, we do have a ranking from MoonRank. The way the system works is that a lower number is better. In this case, the highest number will be 5,000 since there's a total of 5,000 NFTs, and number 1 will be the best. Number 1 will be the rarest NFT in the collection. So if you want to find the rarest NFT, you need to look at the lowest number. So now that you're using Solsniper, you'll be able to automatically find the rarest NFT in a collection. I'm also going to show you how to check whether or not the price for the NFT is a good one. In order to do this, there are 2 steps you must follow. The first step is to take a look at the price history of an NFT. What you do is you go to the NFT you want to take a look at and then press Price History. What you want to here is compare the current price to the price history. If the current price is a lot higher than the previous sale, which you can find at the right-hand section of the bar, then the price of the NFT isn't necessarily a good one. What you want to do is find an NFT where the asking price isn't too much higher than the previous sale. The second step is to compare the price of the NFT to the other NFTs in the collection that are as rare as the one you found. So let's say that you found an NFT that's ranked 500 in this collection. What then you want to do is take a look at other NFTs that are in the 500 range and see if their asking price is the same as the NFT you want to buy. By doing this, you can make sure that you're not paying too much for an NFT. Now that was our tip for today. If you follow the strategy provided in this video, you'll be able to find good NFTs a lot faster than anyone else. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we will be posting a lot of good NFT guides in the future.